Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the first video of Java OOP series. So in this video, I will tell you what is Java OOP and why it matters in Java. So imagine you are a student in a class and there are 30 other students. Your faculty or teacher wants to keep record or tracks all the students' roll number and name. So at first he writes name equal Aditya and integer roll equal 1. So as you can see, for all the 30 students he cannot write 30 strings and 30 integer, as it becomes hard to manage and becomes messy. So here Java OOP helps us to manage those data reusable and easy to store the student information. So let's build up a student class. The name of the class can be anything. I am writing it as a student. Here this class will have two fields. One will be string, name of the student, and another one will be integer, which will be roll. Now we have successfully built the Java class, I mean the student class. So to understand this class better, let's imagine there are many buildings but only one blueprint that defines how the building will look like and how much room it will have. And the same thing happens for the student class. It defines or tells the Java that student class will have two fields. One will be string and another one will be roll. But this class doesn't actually build any object. So now we will create the object just like constructing buildings from the blueprint. Now we have created two different objects. One is student 1 and another one is student 2. Notice that both the objects are created from the same student class, but even though the value of the variables are different. Let's execute the main method and we can cross check this. Indeed the value are different. This is the power of OOP. We can easily create many objects from the same blueprint or the same class, and each object stores its own data independently. So even we have 50, 100, 200 students, we can easily manage all the students from the same class or the same blueprint instead of creating dozens of these separate variables. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum. Raw codes.